Justwealth Personal Portfolios. A pricing explained what you get for your money. Justwealth is a Canadian robo-advisor designed to simplify investing while offering diversified portfolios tailored to your financial goals. Most people assume robo-advisors are expensive or impersonal, but Justwealth's pricing is straightforward and transparent. The platform charges a management fee of 40% to 50% annually, depending on your account size, plus an average fund fee of around 17% for it's included in your portfolio. Unlike many advisors, there are no hidden fees for account setup, transfers or withdrawals. This means if you invest $0, your total annual cost could be roughly $2, including fund fees, which is competitive compared to traditional wealth management services. Justwealth also offers tax-efficient accounts like RISPs, TEFSAs and RESPs, as well as personalized advice for portfolio allocation. You can start with as little as, making it accessible for new investors. The platform's automated rebalancing ensures your portfolio stays aligned with your risk profile, which adds value beyond the basic management fees. The surprising truth is that Justwealth combines professional portfolio management, tax efficiency, and automation at a fraction of what traditional advisors charge, making it ideal for both beginners and busy professionals. In conclusion, Justwealth Personal Portfolios pricing is clear, cost-effective, and designed to help investors grow wealth efficiently. By understanding the management and fund fees, users can confidently choose a plan that fits their financial goals without worrying about hidden costs.